So this is just a quick shopping and a quick tour as well. We're now here at the Eco Shop, or we so call this Eco Shop here in Malaysia, or 2CO, but this is a dollar shop. But it's not even a dollar though. It's just 2 ringgit and 40 cents for each items, where you can find anything from gardening, crafting, kitchen utensils, kitchenware, plasticwares, pretty much everything is here. So this one looks perfect for the hanging plants, but you just need to put holes on it. This one too. So I thought of getting this, but we'll see later. So let's just look around. There. Look at this. Can do succulent arrangement here. And they have this 2 pieces per set. But this is like a pen compartment. Yes, a stationary compartment. But you can make use of it as a pot. And we have some more pots right here, but we're looking for the pots that I'm going to use for the balcony. See, this one is perfect if you have like 3 heads or 3 big succulents, then you can put here. And that one as well. And this one, nah, I don't want black. Let's find some more. This one is nice. Okay, it's gray, so I guess we will pick this one. We will get some of these. Oh, they also have the potting trays right there, germination tray, and this one is like a bonsai tray or pot. If you want to do succulent arrangement, also can. This size is just perfect for like big aeoniums. It's not too deep, but the mouth is quite wide. What's running to my head while doing this video is the color and the looks of the pot that I'm going to use, because it's in my head for like 2 weeks, and today I'm going to do the project. And that one is perfect there. Okay, this is good size. Just nice. This is perfect. So I think I'm gonna grab 3 of these. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, that's it. And then I'm going to grab 4 of these. So one set of 2 for $2 is very cheap. So we will grab 4 of this. Okay, look at this oversized coffee mug. Oversized. It's quite big for the regular size, obviously. And this is good for succulents as well. You just need to drill a hole on it. But I'm everywhere. So let's look for the soil. We need soil. I need soil and perlite. Okay. So now we have perlites in front of us and vermiculites. No, I don't need vermiculite. I need perlite. So we will grab 3 of these. And then 6 bags of succulent and cactus soil mix. Alright. Now let's go look for zip tie. So let's take a look. Find it. There. So got it. Now we're going to pay, and look at this, guys. They also have the flower seeds and veggie seeds as well. So there. Now let's pay. So this is the situation here in my balcony, and I'm planning to do a ledge-like pots for my succulents and cactus. So earlier I took you guys at the dollar shop, so I bought this. Well, originally the idea is to get the PVC rain gutter, and then I'm going to attach it right here at the grills to have the uniform size of compartments for the smaller and bigger succulents that I have, just because you guys can see that I only have a very limited space in here. See, 1 meter width and 3 meters length. So I thought of doing the ledge so that I can save more space, and of course I can put more plants. But this project seems to be a little bit of effort, not a little bit, but this one will cost me so much effort and energy to pursue. So let's see what the result will be in time. But I guess this project will have part 2. I don't think it can accommodate in just one entire video, but let's see what the result will be. If we don't do, we wouldn't know. So okay, we need energy and coffee for this project. So what I do with the small pots, I just simply put holes on it by using that electric driller, the heat driller, and then one by one I poke tiny holes on it so that the zip tie or the ziplock tie will be inserted, and then it will support the ledge or the pots. Then on the bigger pots, I added some more holes. I want to make sure that the water will pass through very quickly. So there. So originally this is what I wanted to pursue, this L-shaped type, but since I converted from PVC to this small tiny pots, what I did was I just put some holes on each side so that I can attach it on each other, so it will be like one long compartment or one long pot, something like that. So let's continue doing it. So just look at the mess, guys. So this is what's happening at the moment, and I kind of arrange those plants according to their soil mix requirements. But of course this one has cactus on it. I just love doing arrangement, but this one is not that, you know, formal arrangement. But anyways, these are all cactus. These are the big succulents because I want them to have more space and grow bigger. And then I repotted this aeonium. What else? Oh, this one. This one has a root rot. Then I separated it from the mother. There. And then, oh my goodness, it's so messy in here. And then it's getting dark. So now I spend like 3 hours doing this. So this will be done maybe after 2 to 3 days. And I sweat it out. And it's raining, guys. Oh my goodness. So I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on with my balcony garden project.